Let's kick the tires on this Diamond C equipment trailer. Welcome to the virtual tire kicker series. It's Leroy with Happy Trailers. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Diamond C LPX. This is a 24-foot long model. Let's kick the tires. All right, Gooseneck 24-foot equipment trailer, the LPX model. You've got Diamond C's engineered neck, and the spare tire is up here in the neck. As you can see, it's just got the little pin right here. You can pull that out and it swivels down. That way you have access to your spare tire right here in front of you instead of having to crawl up on top of the neck in order to reach that spare. You got a super wide front locking toolbox. Lots of room for storage in there. And as you can see on the outside, it's got the dual 12,000-pound jacks, wood deck frame. You got stake pockets around the outside. Your main outside frame is an I-beam. You're looking at an 8-inch I-beam, as you can see right here. This trailer is 82 inches wide in between the fenders. Got tape measure on it right here, 82 inches. And with the fender height here as well, your fenders are 10.5, let's call it 11 inches tall on your fenders. For suspension, you're sitting on 7,000-pound axles. This is spring suspension and a 10-ply 235/80 R16 tire. In the back here, you've got the fold-down ramps, stand-up ramps with the mesh here. It is spring assist, makes it very easy to bring it back down. Let's do it real quick. As you can see, it makes for a real easy load angle right there, getting up onto the ramp. And once you're on the dovetail, you got some angle cleats right here as well, just for added traction. And with it being a spring assist, real easy to pick it up. Coming around here on the driver's side, as you can see, it's got swivel D-rings as well. You've got them there in the back. And then right up here towards the front as well, which make for perfect tie downs for equipment like skid steers and tractors. Your fenders here are steel diamond plate, and they're a bolt-on fender. You've got 2 bolts on each end of the fender here with nuts down on the bottom side. So you can easily remove that fender if you need to, if it's in the way for clearance for any reason. Coming up to the front of the trailer, you've got a really nice extra chain tray up here at the top of the neck. And as you can see, it also doubles as your winch mount as well. You got the holes there ready for a winch, and the plate right there, this will be where your winch cable comes out. And if you do a winch on a receiver style, it's got the receiver right there. Plug and play with that winch. These axles are 7,000-pound drop axles, so it gives you an ultra low deck height. You're looking at about 24-inch deck height. Let me show you here, right there. 24 inches right in front of the axles. Let's move on over to the VIN sticker here. All right, so here you can see your axles are 7,000 pounds a piece. You got a GVWR of 14,900 pounds. And right here it tells you too, your empty weight is about 4,200 pounds. So that leaves you about 10,700 pound payload on this trailer. Diamond C's metallic gray powder coat always looks pretty. Looking underneath the frame here a bit, your cross members are going to be a 3-inch I-beam. Cross members are on 16-inch centers. Brakes on both axles, of course, with the 7K axles. Thanks for checking this Diamond C trailer out on the virtual tire kicker series. See you for the next one.